In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove attachments from records in Hubspot. If you're new to navigating Hubspot or simply looking to refine your skills with managing attachments, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently manage your files within the Hubspot CRM. To start, head over to the Hubspot homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button. It's usually in the upper right corner of the page. When you click it, you'll need to provide your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to set this up first. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot dashboard, often referred to as Hubspot Home. From here, you want to navigate to the CRM section that's dedicated to managing customer relationships and data. Once you're on the CRM page, select Contacts. This step is crucial as it's the gateway to all contact records, where you'll be adding or removing attachments. With the contacts list open, the next step is to select a specific contact record. This is key because attachments are added or removed directly from within a contact's profile. Simply click on the name of a contact to open their detailed profile view. In the contact's profile, you need to locate the section where attachments are handled. It's typically not hard to find once you know where to look. You'll see an option labeled Attachments. Here, seek out the Add button to initiate the attachment process. Clicking this button opens up another set of options. You'll now see the choice to select an existing file from within HubSpot. This is handy if the file you need is already stored in your HubSpot account. Navigate through your available files and click on the one you wish to attach to the contact record. This action will link the file to the contact, making it readily accessible whenever you need it. Now let's touch upon how to remove a file in case you need to clean up or update records. Look for the file you added earlier and you should see a small X icon right next to it. Clicking this icon will delete the file from the contact record. This step is just as straightforward as adding it and helps in maintaining an organized and efficient database. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add and remove attachments from your records in HubSpot. With these handy tips, managing your files in HubSpot should now be a breeze. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice these steps by exploring your own HubSpot account to become more comfortable with the process.